One of the biggest things that I've noticed about Salt Lake City is being in Mount Olympus is one of the best places. I've gone hiking up in the mountains in really cold weather, and we're all slipping and falling in the army, and it's so funny to go up into Mount Olympus and come and be a part of the neighborhood actually. So come on in. We have got 3615 Mount Olympus on Apollo Drive. But yeah, coming into the living room, we have got the steel casing for the windows, which I think they did really well to encompass having the outside mesh with the inside of the home. That comes together super well, along with the remodeled chimney, and the piano just kind of sets it all together and makes it look really nice. Coming in, they have a really unique perspective when it comes to chandeliers inside this house. They kind of bracketed all of them, have the exposed lights, and it really gives it that vintage look, along with the updated countertops and all of the cabinetry, which works really well. Another thing that I like about the home is definitely the backyard. We're sitting on about 1/4 of an acre of land, just shy. Coming this way, we're gonna go into the mudroom, which was remodeled straight into almost a mini man cave, but more so. Before then, you can check out our little friend back there. Look at that guy. Coming into this room right here, it's almost a little man cave with the automatic lights. Nice, dark, warm, and really just embodying. I love the little, oh, what is this called, like an ice maker? A nice little ice maker. And you have your first bathroom. The tile on the floor comes with the little circles for kind of more matching the mudroom, and it brings it all together. Along with the highlights and all the black in all the rooms really brings it out. I know a lot of people really have been loving that. Coming this way, we walk down this hallway. We're gonna go into the master bedroom. All of the doors have been done to have this charcoal look, and I really love how it brought together, because a lot of homes have white doors, but they really made it work. Coming in, you have got obviously beautiful furniture, nicely staged. This right here, the vintage lights, again with the exposed lighting, phenomenal every single time they do it without the home. You can see it here again, and the master bathroom, where they come together with the wooden handles in the bathroom, along with the updated countertops, the exposed lighting, like I said before, right here. Then you have the stand-up tub, again with the chandeliers. The bathroom in and of itself having that dotted pattern. In the other bathroom, it was the circles, but here you can see the rain shower. So looking out into the backyard and having the rain shower, incredible. Coming this way, you can see that maybe a son was living in this room. Got the office space, looking gorgeous. You can look out over a little bit of a view. Seeing again with the charcoal doors, the hardwood floors, charcoal doors, hardwood floors. And our buddy right here. We're gonna head down into the basement, and we can see the other 3 bedrooms. Coming down, the floors and the railing just about match. You go into having the carpet floors and charcoal doors. Coming in once again, all the light fixtures have that exposed lighting, and I really love it because of the way that it disperses the light, gives it a little warm hue. Some homes don't look good when they do it, but they did it perfectly. So coming in, 2 more rooms. So this is a walkout basement. The coolest thing is being able to walk out from the basement to the backyard, and then you have the laundry room right here. They have an amazing sink. This time they decided to leave out the wooden handles, which is incredible. Again, they sell the nice cabinets. A different design for the floor. All the flooring you'll see has that black and white flooring. There were circles in one bathroom. There was the circles and different pattern in the upstairs bathroom. And then this one is more of the hexagonal hexagonal. Through here, this is where you can see straight into the backyard. Coming back in, we got the best part of the house. Teasing you guys just a little bit with another bathroom. Coming back in, keeping the same style and the same pattern throughout the house, pretty uniform and looking really amazing. Here we've got the same exposed lighting, and like I said before, the charcoal doors, the nice carpet, a nice comfortable room for office space. Down this hallway is where I love it the most. We've got one large closet space on the left here. Followed by an opening with the new chimney, sit down space, hangout spot for maybe the kids, the family, and just getting things going, honestly. So I really do enjoy the way that they put this home together, especially the way that they redid all of the chimneys to make it more modern and still stand out and be elegant and timeless. Coming out, we'll head up to the backyard. Yeah. They're doing a really good job with this house. And everyone thinks so. Oh, again with the exposed lighting up in this direction. Every single chandelier in this house looks freaking phenomenal with the lighting. This one has a spiral lighting. Every single time I see it, it just kind of blows my mind, to be honest. Let's see. Okay. We'll go out through the back because that's kind of like one of the main features is being able to walk out through here. Come on out. And this is where that 1/4 of an acre really starts to shine because you have the fully grown trees. You've got the whole backyard coming out. If you got a dog, a cat, a bunch of kids, a life, this really starts to come together. Have your family sit back here. There's the hammock. And it really just looks phenomenal. But yeah, this is 3615 Apollo right up in Mount Olympus, and you really can't get better than this.